Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day today. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Yeah, I'm using different scissors today. Let me get them out of the way so I don't drop them on my foot. Alright, we have a big stamped cross stitch. Okay, now this one comes from GBFKE. Let me get it out of the bag and we'll see what's happening. Alright, this is kind of a big one. It is 50 by 100. But I thought it was beautiful with the lady and all that red and the dragons. Oh yeah, and this is a Yishu, I believe. Not real sure. Let's take a look at the pattern. Huge pattern. Ugh. It's going to have some confetti in it, but it is printed nicely. There's a little bit of blotching right there, but it doesn't interfere with the pattern at all. Let me flip it over because it's huge. I swear the pattern's as big as the canvas. Maybe not quite that big. It says down here at the bottom that it is 49 by 99 centimeters. That's 190 by 407. And it is 11 count with 50 colors. Does have instructions on how to start, how to finish, which is good. Let's see here. Oh, it does have kind of a little bit of blotching right over here, but nothing too drastic that you really can't live with. There is going to be some confetti. Holy cow. Let's find out what colors we have. We have 154, which is the mulberry. We have 310 black. See if there's anything else. 498 red, 606 red, 666 red. Holy cow. I think 814 is a brick red. So there's quite a few reds in this, which is good. We have 3371, which is the dark brown. I didn't see any 823 or 939, so they're using the 310 for the black. There's going to be a little bit of gray in this too, but we'll see that come out here in a minute. And no 3865, so we have 3864. So we'll see what colors once we get there. But nice pattern. It is a little small, but it's easy to see each of the symbols. So you can kind of tell that it's a little bit confettied. I'll hold it as still as possible. So let's take a look at what else is in this. I'm going to just set that aside because you know I compare things here in a minute. Does have a toolkit. There's nothing on there. It has 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. So very nice. We're just going to set that aside. But there is a wad of thread here. Now before we get going, we're going to move everything around so you can see. Okay, so the product number is 7642. 7642. And on the canvas, 7642. So that all matches, but let's take a look at all these colors. All those creams and browns are hiding all the reds and the blacks. Give me a sec and I'll be right back. All right, I am back, but look at all the reds, the oranges. That looks like a kind of a greenish tan, kind of like a khaki color. Beautiful browns, kind of a rustish brown. Then it goes even into a peach. There is some green in there, but beautiful reds. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous array of colors. I am very, very happy with those. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Let me flip it. So there's all your tans and off-whites. So there's no white in this, shall we say. But just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Oh, there's another green. Didn't see that before. Kind of an olive green, more muted in color. It's a beautiful brown. It's got to be may not be. Hang on. 3371. Yep, that's that dark brown. It almost looks black, but there is some 310 black in this too. I'm just going to keep that rubber band on there until I get it all situated. But just beautiful colors. I cannot get over it. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, there's going to be crinkling. Hang on, guys. I mean, that is a wad of thread. It's probably 8 inches across and about 4 inches deep. My goodness gracious. Let me fold it just so it doesn't escape. I don't want it to escape yet. Let's take a look at the canvas. Now, the canvas is kind of stiff. But it's that kind that crinkles down very nicely. I think, let me see. Oh yeah, it'll crunch down, but oh my goodness, it's huge. Yeah, and can you see that confetti? Oh my goodness. Let me flip it to the top. But very nicely done. I don't see any smudges or smears. The symbols are all nice and easy. Just want to take a look over it. But yeah, there's confetti galore in this thing. It does have its big moments, but the big moments somehow don't outweigh the other. Because, yeah. But you can see all the symbols. They're very nice. The canvas is serged all the way around. And the stitching goes a little bit into the numbers, but paper pattern will match the canvas on this. So that is nice. I don't know that I can measure this, but we're gonna fold it down here. I might have to do the half and half. So it is a little over 19 inches, 19 and a quarter inches. So that makes it 38 inches or close to 100. I'm going to say because it won't fit across my desk. But yeah, this is going to take a moment. But I have to start on a dragon, right? Yeah, we'll see. Don't know. Now at the bottom, hang on, I'm trying to fold it down so there's not so much. Has that same information, 49 by 99, 190 by 407. But yeah, you can really see that confetti. But it has bigger pools of color, you know, running throughout it. So it's not horrible. It's not New Orleans. Oh my goodness. Yeah, New Orleans, you just got to be prepared to get one strand out and just go for broke and finish it, because otherwise it's just far too frustrating. But you can see rivers of color in this, and where that blue all kind of ties it together. That's 310 black. So yeah, it must be the dragon that comes like across, like in front of her. Yeah, just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I'm glad they didn't mess that pattern up. But I can't get over how small that is. It's about 14 count size, the way the pattern looks. Does that make sense? It's not, I've had bigger patterns, let's put it that way, for big ones. So very nice. Sorry I couldn't measure it for you, but we'll just have to take their word for it. But I'm glad it has lots and lots of colors. What was that? 50 colors. Amazing. Tans, oranges, reds. Ugh. Yum. All right. Thank you, GBFKE, for sending me this beautiful kit. Now, if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any discount codes, it'll be at the beginning of the video and in the description box below. Now, GBFKE does diamond painting, cross stitch, and I believe paint by number, but I'm not real sure. They do have custom. So they always have a great selection and great prices. And I think this is the one where I don't have a discount code because their prices are always good, always low, or they always have things on sale. So do check them out. Thank you again, GBFKE. And thank you, everyone else, for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.